We can jump down from the national level in terms of open data to look at some school-specific or multi-academy trust or local authority views. So this is groups of schools here, and we can see the attendance data year-to-date plotted across all of those schools. So this is really data aggregation that we're talking about here. Progress throughout the children's stages. This is looking at key stage 3 progress in English and maths, but the change in the progress within each one of those schools over time. So it's not just about presenting the raw data, it's starting to put some intelligence within there so we can identify where good practice is happening and perhaps get those members of staff to work with other schools within that chain or region. Visualizations, colourful visualizations, make it very easy to see where you've gained the largest amount or perhaps made the biggest losses in terms of that data. Trusts and local authorities can define a whole range of key performance indicators. So it's really up to them. Within this view, I can simply select any one of those key performance indicators and see the change over time. Getting down to a school level, we get even more wealth of information within here. So here we're looking at a sample academy dashboard within here, and you can see the fact that we can look at attendance, session attendance, patterns, pupil premium information, behaviour, anything that you store in terms of your data, we can pull out and find from Excel, from management information systems, whatever it may be. Here we're looking at Progress 8 scores, and are focused on the fact that anything that we touch here on the screen within Power BI is interactive, so I can focus on the impact of pupil premium and see the relative changes in terms of their effects on SEN and those sorts of things. We've drilled right down to a student level now, so this is looking at particular scores for an individual student that then goes beyond their Progress 8 to look at the buckets in terms of maths, the EBAC, the Open, the English, and what we have within that then is a complete breakdown, so we know how this metric has been calculated and what metrics they have within there. There are tons of visualization tools I haven't got time to go through in this video, but you can see things like scatter plots that show the spread of students' performance overlaid with things like colour in there too.